Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm going to discuss in this video question number 35 from CUET 2024. Now it's a pretty straightforward question in which we are already given the markup as P minus cost function divided by price. It's equals to minus 1 by elasticity. Now there is a concept in microeconomics, from which this equation is derived, where you put as after profit maximization condition, where you get MR equals to MC, and then you further differentiate basically MR and MC with respect to quantity, and that will eventually give you this equation. So we are already given this equation, and you just have to compute what happens. You have to kind of infer if the markup, which is this value, you have to infer what happens to the markup of a good, and how you compare it with the elasticity. As you can clearly see, the elasticity as represented by ED value here, as you can clearly see that markup for a good is inversely related to the elasticity, right? So markup is inversely related to the elasticity of good. So what does it mean? That if the elasticity is larger, if there is high elasticity, if elasticity is high, then the markup of that good is low. Markup is lower, right? So if elasticity is lower, markup would be higher. Similarly, right, it just means that if there is a higher elasticity of the demand for that particular good, that means there are maybe more substitutes available to that particular good, and therefore the markup over the price is lower, right? There is a less possibility for the firm to charge a very high price over the cost, and therefore the answer for it becomes option 2, where it's clearly given that markup is lower for a good with higher price elasticity of demand, right? So it's a pretty simple straightforward question. I hope it's clear. If there is any doubt, you can post it in the comment box below. So if you like the video, do subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you so much.